top court today described the British-era sedition law as quote-unquote colonial and asked whether it was still necessary after 75 years of independence. The court said it would examine the validity of the sedition law and sought the centre's response on the same. The sedition law is a colonial law. Do we still need the law in our country after 75 years of independence? This was a question asked by Chief Justice N.V. Ramanna. The dispute is that it's a colonial law. The very same law was used by the British to silence Gandhi, is what he said. Vaidyanathan with the details.
He was hearing a petition filed by a former Major General from the Army, Ombar Kare. So during this, Chief Justice bench basically questioned the centre on the whole sedition law. Attorney General was there. Solicitor General was also present during the hearing. Chief Justice Ramanna saying that government is disbanding old laws. Why not they disband this law? What is the need for it to be in the statute book? He said that there is no accountability and the convictions under the sedition law are very low. Why to keep it? He went on to say the sedition law used to charge Gandhiji and other independent leaders leaders who fought for the independence of our country. Do we still need this law? He also gave an example saying that when you give a saw to a carpenter to cut a wood, but instead of cutting the wood, he destroys the whole forest. That is the effect of the law, he said. He said because of this law, a lot of institutions are scared. And even if someone wants to fix someone, police can just invoke this law and people are very much scared. And there is no accountability on the investigating agencies also. So finally, he said, court will examine this law, but given his version, it's probably there needs to be something to be done. Probably this bench will take up this case. So already there are few petitions pending before another bench, before Justice U.U. Lalit. Now Chief Justice said all this petition will be taken up and his bench will examine the whole law.